How to change your nickname on Binance application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Your Binance nickname is your public display name across supported Binance features such as your profile and community section. So in order to change your nickname, first of all, open the Binance application on your device and sign in. Once you're signed into your account, go to the upper left corner and tap on the three horizontal menu buttons. Now on the next page, go ahead and tap on your current nickname from the top, and on the next page, click on the pencil icon right underneath your profile picture at the top left, and you'll end up in this edit profile section. Go to the nickname tab, erase your current nickname, and enter a new nickname. Once you are done, click save. Nicknames and avatars both, once changed, cannot be changed for 7 days, so make sure that you really want to do this, and if you do, click continue. So right after you do that, you will be able to change your nickname on Binance. Your new nickname will reflect in your profile. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.